Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Part-Time IT Investor. So based upon thumbnail you can see today we're going to discuss about point T delta strategy and 0.15 delta strategy and how it impacted my profit and loss in the same market condition. Okay, so this was a sort of experiment, guys, which I did. Okay, and I also used my ADS indicator, which helped me to exit the losing trade, as well as I used my AI calculator to calculate the number of lot which I need to sell with 0.3 delta and 0.15 delta. Okay, so moving ahead, so this is my loss. Okay, in 5,742 in one of the account. And if I go to the second account, so if you see this my position, okay, so this is 3,500 profit. And if you see the position which I'm holding over here is around 24,500 CE. So that's why it was very far away position, guys, which was calculated based upon my AI tool, which pointed me to select 0.15 delta option strike, okay, in combination, which I have deployed. Now let me take you to the chart how I use ADX indicator, and there is another new indicator, guys, which I will introduce today, which also help me to take the decision to understand whether market has really reversed or it's a fake breakout. Okay, let's move to the chart. Okay, here we are on our Nifty 50 chart. So as you can see, guys, okay, so around 11:45 a.m. okay, we saw that Nifty did the U-turn. It was a big green candle. Plus, we saw that ADX has also reversed. Okay, moving towards the positive direction above 25. Okay, this was my first signal which pointed that market has reversed. Second signal, okay, second signal which pointed was 50 MA. You can see that 1 hour red candle, okay, 1 hour, sorry, 30 minutes candle was above 50 MA. Okay, this also confirmed that market might have reversed. Okay, so there is another new indicator which I promise I will disclose today, which I'm using to check that. So in a short, I will explain that. But here I wanted to emphasize, guys, that I'm not looking at the screen for the whole day. So I checked this at around 3 p.m. Okay, because today was Thursday, which was sorry, yesterday was Thursday, which was last day for trading, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday was vacation. So that's why I didn't want to take any opportunity, even though I was having a ratio trade which was having 10% margin, okay, to go upside. But after this reversal, okay, that left me with only 5% or 6% of margin left. So if any good news comes between these 3 days, so market will definitely open up higher, which will easily open over here, leading me to the huge loss. Okay, that was another reason for me to close all the position. And plus, as per our original strategy, we punched the trade on Monday, okay, and booked the profit or loss on Friday. In this case, Friday was holiday, so we booked it on Thursday. Okay, so that was the strategy. Now let me take you to the another chart where I will explain you the another indicator which I'm using. Okay, here we are. So this is the Zerodha chart, guys, which I have opened up, and the bar which you are seeing on the right side is called volume profile. You can enable this by clicking on this OI profile option in Sensible. Okay, so the point which I wanted to highlight over here is this new indicator which I'm using. Okay, is called volume profile. So what it does, at which level volume is high, that is indicated. So if you see over here, so what it is showing around 23,300, okay, call OI is 35 lakhs and put OI is 6.7 lakhs, okay. But if I go to 22,500, okay, so what it is showing, put OI is 80 lakhs and call AI is 48.44 lakh. So what does that mean? This means that market is having a strong support at around 22,500. Okay, so that was another point of concern that market might have reversed, and this is a new support level. Now, last point. So if I see the volume profile at around 22,700 around 3 p.m. Okay, so we can see that put OI was around 33.26 lakhs, which was more than call OI, which is 31.32 lakhs. So this potentially means we can have a gap up opening on next trading day, which is Monday. Okay, because this red candle, which is forming on 1 hour chart, is acting as a retracement candle. Okay, so market always moves in waves, guys. It is not straight falling down like a knife. It's not going up like a knife as well. Okay, so it always moves in wave. So this is wave one, and now it is a short retracement. And if this 22,700 support holds, okay, we can see 23,000 level. Okay, so that was another reason for me, okay, to close my position on Nifty. Okay, so this is how I analyzed my position at end of the day to take the call whether I can carry forward my ratio spread or I can exit. So now question might be coming in your mind, why did my second account made profit with 0.15 delta while other account made a loss? Okay, this is because guys, zero point zero 0.03 delta is a aggressive trade. Okay, so it is too sensitive to any sudden spike. Okay, and that's why I saw that option premium was rising aggressively as against the 0.15, which is not that too aggressive, and it absorbed the shock. So if we go over here, okay, you saw that the position which I have taken was around 24,500, which was very far from 22,700 as against the earlier one, which was sitting around 23,500. Okay, so the closer you are to the spot, higher the delta. The farther away you move away from spot, lower the delta. Now you probably might be thinking, how would I know, okay, which delta and how many lots? So this is where I use my custom AI calculator, which I will pin it in my comments as well as in my video description. So if you're new to my channel, you can go ahead and explore that based on my older videos. So that's how I used my AI calculator tool to hedge my whole capital and portfolio. Used ADX, use EMA, and another new indicator which is volume profile. Okay, so these three I used this Thursday at 3 p.m. to confirm whether the trend has reversed or not. So it was a bigger of a risk to carry forward for the Monday, and that's how I closed my position. Okay, so if you wanted to stop gambling and start using ADX data, okay, so please try out this AI calculator which I have developed. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and please enjoy your 3 good day weekend. See you on the Monday. Bye bye for now.